What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're headed to El Campo once again. We're about to be at the finish line. I'm meeting my contractor and my private lender. I'm going to do a draw and I'm going to go over some last minute touches and some things that have come up, and then I'm going to explain to you all where we've done good at and where we've done bad at. I just want to be completely transparent with you guys. Money wise, we're still looking good, but things keep adding up. Luckily, we're about to be done, so that's good. And then we'll go by A-Leaf property as well with David, my lender, and look at the updates that we've made over there too, because we should be done with El Campo, and then we plan to list the same week, or if not the next week, the A-Leaf property. So let's ride. All right, guys, so pulling up to the property real quick, but I just wanted to show you this house. This is actually one of our comps for our property. That's the house, and then this is our house over here. But that comp sold for 154 or 159, one of the two. But just gives a nice idea, and confirms that we need to be in the 140 area. I'm gonna give you guys some quick updates on the property, what's going on, and where we're at, because like I said, we're getting closer and closer to being done. So backyard, if you guys remember, there's a huge bush over here, some trees, we had that cleaned up. We still got a few miscellaneous items which they're gonna throw away, but yeah, it's looking a lot cleaner back here. We're not gonna do any sod or anything. We've already put down the stuff to make it grow, so hopefully we just get some rain, and being out here in the country, we're hoping it doesn't matter as much. So over here we removed all the trash. Finally, there's so many things under here, guys. Glass, carpet, board, there's these pavers, like random things. They cleaned up the lemon tree for us, got rid of a building that was sitting here, it was falling over. Got these cleaned up and cleaned out on the inside. Another filled up dumpster. This is the third one. This is going to be the final one. We got David, my lender, over there. We're about to go check out the other property. All right, come in here, guys. As you can see, they're working on the floor. The trim is going to be painted white to kind of make the wood paneling pop. We've got the bathroom finish in here, tile flooring, new countertop and tub insert, and then we're just going to add some tile around the top to make it pop a little bit more and go up to the window height. And here we got to get a new door on this one. The windows wouldn't lock in here, so we got that replaced. We got a new fan. In this room, I think we just need touch-ups on the wall and some carpet, and then we got a new fan as well. AC was put in this weekend, so we're blowing cold. They just haven't hooked it up because construction is still going on. This room, we need carpet. This bathroom is almost completely done. We've done the flooring, toilet, nice beautiful master, and then we didn't notice this plug, and there has to be a mirror here. So we're gonna just scoot this over about 5 inches, then we'll have our mirror, some trim. There's a window unit here, they gotta replace that. Run through the kitchen. We're not replacing anything here. We're just gonna get rid of these cabinets till about right here. It might look a little weird, but it's just gonna open it up because we're not really doing a lot in the kitchen. And then we go to the outside. And then this has all been painted. We just need to get the garage door people out here. New hot water heater. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to replace this back door as well. And then this back room. So this actually looked the worst, and it's turning out to be one of the best things about this house. It's a nice little outdoor area. We put some wood up top. So we just got to do some touch-up things in here, but this would be a nice outdoor seating area, especially on days like today. And so yeah, guys, on this outside area though was the most expensive, I think, of this bid. We've spent about $2,300 just getting this yard cleaned up, getting the trees trimmed. It was just one of the worst parts of this house, but it looks a lot better. Not nearly where I want it to be. It's just the rest, like put sod down and all that, is not in the bid. So we're gonna make it do with what we got. So let's go to the next property, show you the progress as well.
Okay, yeah. If you can send me some pictures, that would be perfect. Cause my next.
I'll try to do that, and then I'll call my sister and give her your number. Let me see. Yeah, I got it. I got your number.
Okay, so
so
would you be the main contact, or should I?
Yeah, it's me. It's me. My sister's not. She's older than I am. But her name is on the promise, and she has agreed to let me do it, and she would just sign it.
Okay.
And this is the way we have always operated. I do the business.
Okay. Oh, that's okay.
But the property is in both of our names. We own 50% of it.
Okay, cool. And
the two of us.
so in regards to viewing the property, I know you're in Dallas. How would I be able to?
If you know a day and time that you would like to give me, if you would text me 2 dates and 2 times, then I would forward it to her and ask her, would you better meet you over there?
All right, guys, so as you can see, we've made it to the A-Leaf property. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. There's only been a few updates, so it's not gonna look as significant of a change as the last property. But once they do the painting and everything comes together, probably the next video I take you guys through, you'll see all the updates, but let's take a look. So as you can see, brand new roof. We had the trees cut out, so it's looking clean over here. Inside we have some drywall repair going on just from the sellers, touching up a couple spots. All right, let's go to the kitchen area here. And as you can see, we've done new granite all the way around. We're gonna have to repair these cabinets. We're gonna touch up a few things and get them painted white. And then this will be the modern gray color. We gotta replace that door. We'll go to the bathroom here. The granite, they're touching up the cabinets. In this bathroom, we're working on the shower, so they're actually out to get tile, but this will be tiled up. We gotta have the plumber come back and fix something over here. He has to do a new valve and then do a trim kit, then they can finish the tile. And then we gotta get some flooring for this corner where there was previous water damage. Rooms, just drywall repair, and then in here, same thing, just granite, and then they're gonna clean the shower. And so yeah, guys, so right now, like I said, my lender, David, he's on his way. He was at the last property, and we're gonna do a draw. So how it works with flips is when they say no money out of pocket, you do need a little bit of money, just depending on the lender. So how it works with David is we get a property, right? And for instance, this one was $95,000. Our rehab bid projected was $25,000. So up to $25,000, he will cover that bid. And so how it works with draws is we go through, usually do, with David, we do 2 bids. Or I'm sorry, with David, we do 2 draws, halfway and then once completed. So for that, that means the first half, like, so with that one, it's $25,000. So the first $12,500 I have to put up, but then he will give me the money back, right? And then once it's completed, same thing, I'll spend that $12,500. And then once completed, you know, and we relist it, we'll get the rest of our money back. So you're just kind of washing the money, but that's how it works. But you can also find lenders that will lend to you, you know, the rehab bid up front. It's just a lot of lenders are scared because when you're a newbie flipper, people go out, they hire bad contractors, And then when they do that, the contractor will then run off with their money, and now they're in a worse position. They just got started on a deal and they're already 15, 20,000 in the hole, depending on how much money. So never give money to contractors up front. Always do it until completion. If they need money for materials or whatever else, make sure you just buy the materials directly. You don't ever want to just give a large sum of money to a stranger. I think that's just a good lesson for life. So that concludes today's vlog, guys. Kind of short, just wanted to run through, show you guys the quick updates that we've done. We should be completed with both of these by the next video. So in the next week and a half, we should have both of these listed. This was like a quick 2-week turnaround. Borden has been, 3-4 week. We were supposed to be done. Today was best case. Looks like we're gonna be more on the worst case because we've had things come up. The landscaping took forever. Now I'm having trouble with appliances and things like that because the guy that I normally get them from, they're not delivering because of the whole Corona thing. So new objections, new things that we're overcoming, guys, but we're working through the process. So I appreciate you guys kicking with me as always. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, like, subscribe this video, share it with a friend or family, and a lot more content coming for you guys. So peace.